Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete ad on Craigslist. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete ad on Craigslist, firstly open your Google search. Type in Craigslist and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in. It will take you to the home page of Craigslist account. Click on human icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on postings and then click on delete option on the post shown on the page that you want to delete. You can also undelete the post by clicking on undelete this posting. This is how you can delete ad on Craigslist quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.